Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Purple color, blue color, chocolate color, orange color, light green color, pink color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Pentagon, heart, kite, cloud, triangle and hexagon. First we're going to draw the shapes. Pentagon, heart, kite, cloud, triangle, hexagon. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, pentagon, pink color, heart, blue color, kite, next purple color, cloud, next orange color, triangle, next chocolate color, hexagon. What we learn? We learn green color, pentagon, pink color, heart, blue color, kite, purple color, cloud, orange color, triangle, chocolate color, hexagon. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.